Hello Forex traders, it's your favorite Forex trader Cloudy. On this channel, you will learn how to analyze the markets, understand price action, manage risk effectively, and execute trades with discipline, all through structured and clear breakdown. Now, before we proceed, do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and also share this video, like, and put your comments on the comment section below. Tell me whatever you want me to do on the comment section so that I will know exact thing I'm going to be doing next. You understand? Now let's proceed to the main details of the video. The reason I'm doing this video is to do a proper analysis on ETHUSD starting from the monthly time frame to know where price is actually coming from and know where price is going to overall on the ETHUSD pair. Now this is on the monthly time frame. If you watch very closely, we have been having a series of a higher highs and higher lows, you understand, which is indicating an uptrend. Now this is the first break of structure is made. After breaking the structure, it pulled back. Now this pullback is called the first value pullback. After the break of structure is called an inducement liquidity. So we'll be expecting the mark price to come down in order to take out this liquidity or inducement before mitigating our POI before rallying all the way to the upside again, and which it actually did. You understand? Now on its way to do on its way to doing it, here we are expecting the price to take this high out, which it did take out with a week, but we are expecting it to take out with the body and push further to the upside, which it has not done. Let's check what it is actually doing on the current market price. Now on the current market price, we have our break of structure and our sweep of liquidity. The reason this is a sweep of liquidity is, if you check very well, we have our break of structure here, we have our break of structure here, you understand, we have our break of structure here, this is the inducement here, and here is the POI. It's mitigated. Now this is the liquidity swept, or the inducement liquidity swept, which has now turned into our sweep of liquidity on this range. And here is the break of structure. This is the internal range liquidity, which we have been expecting the market to take out, and which it did take out. Took out. Now here is our POI. So this is now a trading range, and I'm expecting the range to trade from this point to this point to take out this ERA, which is external range liquidity. Now let's go to the daily time frame, which is the next time frame alignment to the monthly time frame. The reason we are going to the daily time frame is to have a confirmation entry, you understand, or to have a proper confirmation that this trade here is going to go all the way to the upside. That is the main reason we are going to the daily time frame, to have a proper confirmation. Thank God it acted fast. Now this is the daily time frame. This is the daily time frame. So guys, this is the picture on it on the daily time frame. This is the picture of it on the daily time frame. This is the monthly time frame ERL we are expecting the price to take out. Now before this price can take this out, I want the price to take this out first. You understand? This high here. Then if it eventually take out that high like this, I'm expecting it to pull back. You understand? Because if it take out this high, this will be the liquidity or the sweep of liquidity, and this will not turn into another range again. You understand? Now I'm expecting to see my POI right about here before proceeding to the upside. This is what I'm expecting. This is my own opinion on ETH USD. You understand? Now let's check the current market price on the daily time frame to see what it has been doing all this while. Now on the daily time frame, immediately after it deviated from the monthly time frame, it started giving us an uptrend move on the daily time frame, which is this move that has been happening right about here. As you can see, we have our break of structure here. You understand? We have our break of structure here and our sweep of liquidity. The market came down to sweep this liquidity here and mitigated our POI here before rallying all the way to the upside. As it is rallying not to the upside, it gave us another break of structure here. You understand? And a sweep of liquidity, which is this investment liquidity and this internal liquidity, and mitigated our POI, which is right about here, before moving to the upside. You understand? And while moving to the upside, it broke another structure again. Here is the sweep of liquidity we have, and here is our internal range liquidity, which I'm expecting the market to take out, and which it did. So this has now turned into a trading range, and I'm expecting to take this trade from here to here. You understand? Now for every lower time frame trading range, you should go to the higher time frame to look at for a POI. This POI you see right about here, I find it on the monthly time frame. You understand? I didn't get it on this daily time frame. I find it on the monthly time frame. So what I'm expecting is for the market, because if you check very closely, if you watch very closely, we have a series of downtrends. So I'm expecting the market to take out this last high and pull back, you understand, give us another range, a clear confirmation before I will confirm that this trade is going to go to the upside. If not, this trade might just get to this point and reject from here, you understand. This can actually happen, but what I'm expecting is for it for it to break this last high here and pull back, take out the liquidity before, or any liquidity that it will fall in the future before proceeding to the upside. Now mind you, this is on the daily time frame, and I can't wait to, because I don't know how long it will take for that to happen. Now let's capitalize on this on the next time frame alignment of the daily time frame on lower time frame, which is the 1 hour time frame. The 1 hour time frame is the next time frame alignment based on my concept and my strategy. The 1 hour time frame is the next time frame alignment to the daily time frame. Now let's go to the 1 hour time frame to see what the price has been doing here all this while. Now on the 1 hour time frame, it has been making a series of an uptrend by forming a break of structure. Here we have our break of structure, sweep of liquidity here, and here is our POI, which it mitigated before going to the upside, you understand. Now we have another break of structure again, sweep of liquidity here, and what inducement liquidity and our POI, which it has mitigated, which is currently playing right about now. So I'll be waiting to see another clear break of structure, sweep of liquidity and inducement or internal liquidity before buying this pair, at least to this place. That is what I'm expecting. So thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe and share this video. Cheers up guys.